test drive the 2015 Cherokee. The Jeep Cherokee offers superior off-road capability. This makes the Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, passenger airbag, air conditioning, Bluetooth, automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, cruise control, trip computer, power windows. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.